A year ago, in June 2021, King County experienced a heat wave unlike anything it's seen in a very long time. The temperatures was 40 degrees above the average, although these temperatures above 100 degrees only lasted a few days of the month. This is not normal weather for our city. It shows that our city's temperature is slowly rising and is not showing signs of stopping. With the rising population in King County, carbon emissions have gone up by the increased consumption of gas. As a result of these really high temperatures caused by carbon emissions, King County has announced a groundbreaking heat matching project that proves the massive impact that these rising temperatures are having on our city and its residents.
Heat map displays that areas of less trees and more industrial activities hotter during the summer compared to areas with more greenery. Urban areas in Seattle experience temperatures upwards of 95 degrees, which increases the risk of heat-related illness and even deaths. The University of Washington shows that there has been an increase in medical emergencies during the summer. Heat map of Seattle has outlined the study results that will inform the departments and initiatives that are created to help mitigate those dangerous hot summers that will be hotter.
2022 SCAP, aka the 2022 Strategic Climate Action Plan, is a program that is created to come up with strategies to cut down greenhouse gas emissions by the end of our decade and prepare for the overcharging impact that climate change could have in our country. Partnership with other small initiatives such as SCAP's 30th Year Forest Plan, which is committed increasing tree canopy with focus on the demographics that are most affected by the heat levels.
This summer is also pushing to create more accessibility to forested areas and supporting outdoor recreation that will provide physical and mental health benefits to the community that need it most. Another project led by SCAP is 3 million trees with Seattle's promise to plant, protect, and restore equivalent 3 million trees by 2025. Since 2021, they have planted 1 million trees, and it's almost guaranteed that this initiative will reach its goal of planting 3 million trees and preserving existing trees and forests to mitigate the issues that the rising temperature are causing our county and cities.
Trees for Neighborhood is a project that Seattle has funded to assist its residents to plant more trees. In 2009, the project has assisted residents around Seattle to plant over 12,300 trees in their streets and backyards to provide more shade to help reduce rising temperatures. This project has created community involvement through workshops for people who want to help plant trees and fight climate change. Anyone can apply today to become a part of this countywide movement.
Although these programs are coming out taking big steps, there's still a lot of room for improvement in them.
This example, this portion of tree planting is in Queen Anne, the dark blue areas of the income map, where families of a medium income of $116,000 and have 13,819 trees planted. Comparing this to somewhere like Bourne's Place, the light blue areas of the income map, where the average income is $50,000, which have 6,383 trees planted. The difference in income in trees is very apparent between these two places. Because of the lack of opportunity and support in many low-income areas, investment into these communities are much harder to give the same results compared to higher income areas. So community outreach in these poor areas needs a lot less attention because it's just much harder to reach out to these people in the poor areas.
These projects are making a large impact on the slowly rising heat, but they could still be doing more to improve themselves. A major problem with these projects is that it's inequitable and they need communities to reach out to them. So with lower income communities, it is more challenging to be engaged with projects in the higher income communities. A solution to this problem is moving these projects to a more community-driven approach. Being community-driven will solve a lot of the issues this brings up. Join the community through events hosted by these projects to motivate people to join and participate with planting trees. Doing so will help solve the issue of labor costs because the amount of volunteers will increase with these activities, and it helps weigh out the skeptics that are pushing against these projects. On the website at seattle.gov/trees4Seattle, you could help by bringing these programs to more people and promoting them. If more people know about these programs, it can only do good and increases the amount of people that would be able to participate in them.